that's all my information there, so I'm not going to show it. So, yeah. Once again, we're going to use something really dumb to open this. I got a pencil, would that work? Surprisingly, a freaking pencil worked. So remove the lube, and here is the Meilong 3M. I do have the RS Studio 2020, except this core is stripped now, so it's like. Yeah, that's literally what happened. Anyways, now we got the Meilong M. Is it one of those boxes? I guess I'm just gonna have to do this. Ah! Return to monkey! There we go. So today we got a blue stand. Now accessories, blah blah blah, you've seen this all the time. Screwdriver, cards. Anyways, the cube itself, it's right now frosted, and oh no, look at that. That's not good. But anyways. Bruh. Right now it's extremely sandy. Oh, the S slices are quite stiff. Compared, like, it kind of limits my tanning because it's like really sandy. Like compared to the Dye and Tengyun version 2, like it flows much more. But this one, it doesn't really flow. But then again, it's completely dry out of the box. And also this one part here is just bugging me. And now we're just gonna add Cubicle Lab Silk. 2 drops. Oh no, I got it all over the cube now. Anyways. Alright, now it's good. But something's up with that corner there. I don't really like that. Like, it's kind of damaged, which is sad. But yeah, it's a pretty nice cube. I'm not sure about the S slices yet. Alright, never mind. This cube is actually really good. Corner cutting. Oh, the corner cutting's improved so much from the silk. Alright, this is actually really nice. Now, I'm just going to test the silk with this Valk 3M. Alright, this is actually really nice. Finally, we'll test it on a Dye and Tengyun version 2. Oh, nice. But anyways, back to the Meilong M. I don't know, I think further soles will give me a conclusion. I'll give you an update later, but for now, expect this to be my main. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see ya!